Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple soup. You can then change up all the different ingredients. It's very, very simple. You just need some potatoes, so just ordinary potatoes, just a couple of them, and that's what will thicken the soup later on. Some onion, this is frozen onion, so available all year round, and some stock. And unfortunately, I haven't got chicken stock because we're in lockdown, so it's beef stock. That's the basis of the soup, and to that you can add anything to it, but I'm going to be doing tomatoes today. Now, I don't like the skin on my tomatoes in a soup because I think it's just yak, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in here and put some boiling water on them and just give them a few minutes, and then they'll be dead easy to peel. So once you've left them for a few minutes, you're just going to lift them up gently because obviously the water's still going to be quite hot. And if you score them across the bottom, you should be able to lift the peel up quite easily, although it's not very easy on these ones. There we go. And just peel them, peel the skin off. So just chop them up. They don't have to look pretty because they're all going to disintegrate in the next 20 minutes or so. If you get some really hard stalks in there, I'd get rid of them, but everything else can get just chucked in. Okay, so you put it in with your potatoes, onion and stock. And if you want to add any kind of salt, pepper or basil at this point, that'd be great. I once went to a restaurant and they had tomato and sage soup, and that's really nice. So stick some herbs in there as well and just put it on to simmer. It just needs to simmer until the potatoes are starting to disintegrate. And then that, because that thickens the soup. And then you can taste it, see what you think, change a bit and see how it goes. So once the potatoes are cooked, you liquidize the whole thing. And if it's too thick, you just add some more hot water to it. And if it's too thin, well, you know next time to put some more potatoes in. And serve with a swirl of single cream.